Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In today's video, I am here with my little brother Carter. And we're going to be opening some of the Jeffree Star holiday mystery boxes. Alright you guys, before we get into the unboxing, as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, which will be more frequently soon because I finally graduated college. That right here, up there, that's my graduation cap. Also, make sure to enter my giveaway that is open until the 23rd of this month. I'm giving away a ton of stuff for Christmas, so I will link that down below. Go enter it. There are some Jeffree Star products in that giveaway, so you're going to want to be entered because who doesn't want some free Jeffree Star makeup? Without rambling any further, let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, so we're going to start with the premium box, I believe. I believe this is premium and the biggest one is deluxe. The only one that I didn't get is the smaller box. So yeah, this is the premium box. It's going to be a nice white. I love the packaging. They do a really good job. What do you think about the packaging, Carter?
It's sick.
Cool. Alright, let's do it. Alrighty. So I've seen some spoilers for this. So I kind of know what's going to be in here. By spoilers, I mean I already opened them earlier. Go ahead, you can open it. So Carter's going to take out some things. What do you want to pick out first?
This thingy.
This thingy?
This thingy.
So this is, will you hold it up?
I don't know. Just it.
Yeah. So that is Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, and this is actually the mystery shade. So this is the limited edition shade that is only going to be ever in this box.
Wow.
That's pretty. This is a really, really pretty red shade. It reminds me of Poinsettia from his line. Will you grab me that drawer of lipsticks right there?
It's too far
Buddy, please. As Carter grabbed my drawer of lipsticks, because I kind of want to, this really, really reminds me of Poinsettia, so I kind of want to swatch them next to each other and see if they look similar. Which, I mean, they are pretty dang similar. This one doesn't have the sticker on the bottom, but this is Poinsettia. This one right here is Poinsettia, and this one is the one that comes in the box. And those look...
One looks darker than the other.
One looks a little bit darker, but they are very similar. So I'm going to swatch Poinsettia first. So that's Poinsettia. Do you like this, Carter? Do you like making makeup videos with your sister?
Sure.
And then this one is the mystery shade. So we're gonna go right here. I mean, they're really similar. They are really, really similar. But Poinsettia is just a tad bit darker. What do you think? Do they look the same?
They look different.
They look different?
Sure.
Yeah, one's just a little bit darker. However, if you didn't get the box and you already have Poinsettia, I wouldn't feel bad about not getting the box just because of the shape. So that needs to go back in the box. Well, I'm keeping it, so it doesn't really need to go back in the box. I'm going to need a new section for Jeffree Star after this. Next, what does that say?
Something. Oh. Queen Supreme?
Queen Supreme. That's...
I don't know.
We got Queen Supreme. It's another liquid lipstick. Can you guess what color this is going to be?
Pink. I don't know. Oh, wow.
Pretty dang close. It's like a
That's
lilac-y
pink. What do you mean?
pink. It's like a lilac-y pink, isn't it?
Bro, he's in... Never mind.
That's really pretty. I'm gonna keep this one. Usually I give away a bunch and I also keep a bunch. Sorry, I keep touching you.
Stop touching me.
Usually I give away a bunch when I get these boxes, but this one I want to keep because it's a really unique shade and I don't have anything like it already, so I want to keep that. Next, we have a shade of Liquid Frost. This is from the Blue Blood collection when it came out, and it's a blue shade. I will put the name in the description. I'm not actually going to say it because it's just slightly inappropriate. It is inappropriate.
Okay.
Okay. I'll put it in the description, but I'm sure you all know which one it is. But yes, this is what it looks like. It is straight blue. Look at that.
That does not look blue.
It doesn't look blue?
I mean, it's blue, but it's a lighter blue. There you go.
It's like a powder blue.
Sure, I'll go with that.
And finally, this is probably the most exciting thing in the box. I like that he has started to give out palettes. I remember in the first couple of boxes, he really didn't ever include them, even though they were on the flyer. So I'm happy that he is starting to include them. And we got a Blue Blood palette. Now, I'm not going to unwrap this because I actually just got this yesterday as a graduation gift. So this one is going to be going into a future giveaway, or I'll sell it. Probably a giveaway though, because what else? And then we also got some really cool stickers, and I know there's another sheet in the big box, so one's gonna go to me and one of them is gonna go to my sister. But yeah, cool stickers. And this. So this is the packaging for that Blue Blood palette. I don't want to take it out just because I'm going to give it to someone else. And then this is what it looks like here. And it's got a really, really nice clasp too. I'm going to do some type of tutorial using this coming up soon, just because I just got it. I know it's been out for a while, but this is what the palette looks like as well. What do you think of that palette? Do you think you'd wear that?
Me? No.
A lot of blue.
Wow.
Alright, let's move on to the deluxe box. These actually ship together this time. I've never had them shipped together on the same day before. And they put them in a real big box. So, yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
So the first thing I got in this box, which I'm actually really excited about, I almost bought one of these, is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics sweatshirt. Do you want to put it on?
Sure.
I'm sure there's an easier way to open that
Oh
up,
my gosh.
It's a black, so it's like not bad. Oh, cool! It's got like stars down the arm.
Sick.
That's sick.
I'd totally wear that.
So I got this. Oh yeah, I got mine in an XL. Put that on.
What?
So here we've got the model. Come over here
Oh my gosh.
a little bit more so we can see.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
It's so hard to figure it out. Oh, it's good. That actually looks pretty good on you. It's mine, but
Too bad I'm stealing it.
no. Oh, the next thing that is in here that is kind of exciting, which I'm guessing.
Is that a straw?
Yeah, it's a straw.
You know,
It's a metal straw. If you've never seen my TikTok, you should go check it out. I actually have a lot of followers on there. I have like 30,000 followers. And they all came from these videos that I make of my sister and my brother when I pick them up from school. I always get them a Baja Blast from Taco Bell, and my sister starts running when she sees it. Oh, it comes with a cleaner.
Wow, no way.
Yeah. Anywho, yeah, I'll put in one in the video so you guys can see it, but I'll put my TikTok in the description box if you want to see it. This is how I get Ellie to come to the car faster. Every time it works.
Open your window.
So we got the other sheet of stickers here. So this one's going to go to Belle as well. And then we've got a few liquid lips. We've got a highlighter, and we've got 2 palettes in this box. So I'm really excited. Let's get into which ones we got. I already have one of these. So this is Bronze Blood. I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I actually already have this shade.
Follow this camera, please.
Oh, camera. Thanks.
It's like Siri. Right? You say camera instead of Siri.
So this is what bronze blood looks like. I've got this already in my collection from actually the last mystery box. But I'll swatch it here so you guys can see it, and then that'll go into another upcoming giveaway. I'm probably going to do another giveaway in like February, so you can look forward to that. So there's that. Where's the other one? Will you put it by
What?
it? The highlighter. Just set it next to the highlighter.
Oh, this is a highlighter?
Yeah. A liquid highlighter. Alright, what's this one called?
Designer blood.
Designer blood. This one is really cool and I'm keeping it. Look at it! Isn't that a color I would wear?
Sure. Let's go with it.
So this is what designer blood looks like. Okay, focus your thing. It's really shiny, so it doesn't want to focus. But it's a really, really nice deep red color. I can't get it to open.
Give me this. I'll break it.
No, don't break it. Oh, I got it. Didn't want to open for a second. Ooh, pretty. Oh, yeah, that's a really good red.
I feel like you'd wear that.
I would wear that. That's a really, really nice deep red. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, that's going in the collection. So then we also got a highlighter. Do you want to open the highlighter?
Sure.
It's too dark for me, so I can't personally wear it, so it's going to go in the giveaway, but I want to show you what it looks like. It's also from the summer collection. I know. Isn't that cool?
You might want to hold it up to the camera so the people aren't like punching their screen.
Look at that. That's so cool. I actually don't have any of these, the Supreme Frost. All the ones that I've gotten in mystery boxes are too dark for my skin tone. So again, this one's like a gold color, but I'm going to give this away in a future giveaway. But those are really pretty formulas, and I'll hopefully get some for myself soon. Alright, will you grab, there's another palette up there, it's under all the Jeffree Star palettes.
Bro, how many times are you going to make me move?
This is the last time.
Alright, well what?
The next thing I got is the Thirsty palette, which again, I already have this palette, so that's going to go into a giveaway or go to my sister. And this is what the Thirsty palette looks like. This is my own personal one, so I'm not going to touch the other one. But this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? I bought this one while I was in London, and I did a bunch of my Instagram looks with it. So, yeah, I'm very excited about that for whoever's going to get it in the upcoming giveaway. And then finally, we have the limited edition palette. This is the palette that everyone kind of bought the box for. Sorry, I talk with my hands. I need you to get more on camera.
Why do you want me to?
Because you need to be on the screen. Your beautiful face needs to be seen by the people. Alright, so this is the Peppermint Frost palette. It's smaller than I thought, actually. Like, look how thin that is. It's teeny.
This is the only reason I'd buy this. No bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like. One thing I do want to note about this is it doesn't feel as high quality as his other palettes. Like this is cardboard as well, but it is a very thick cardboard and it feels really nice. This one, feel that cardboard. So if you can feel when it opens, it's like kind of thin and yeah,
this one.
It's really thin and kind of like cheaper feeling. So because I know I saw on Twitter that he asked like if people want this to be made. Some people said yes, some people said no because of the exclusive item thing. I really don't care. If people want this palette and are going to buy it, why not make it? That's just my opinion. But let me show you the shades. So we have Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch some of these here. Nothing. So this is Ugly Sweater.
Oh, wow.
Better.
Wow.
I like that one. That would be one that I use. It looks fair enough for me because I'm super pale. Next, I'm going to do Igloo Gold.
Igloo Gold. Okay.
Yeah, Igloo Gold. Oh, look at it. That's really, really pretty, actually. I would wear that one as well. That's almost lighter than the other one. Doesn't it look like, Carter?
Sure. Yeah.
And then finally we've got chocolate ice. And this one's more of like a bronzy.
Oh, wow. That's so nice. Color.
I would use that as an eyeshadow, I think. I couldn't get away with using that on my face because I am way too pale. I'm so pale. My family makes jokes about me being a vampire.
Alright.
I feel like this was a really anticlimactic video, but I am truly really excited about all these. I always buy the mystery boxes. I'll link all my previous mystery box unboxings down below if you want to see more of them. I know he's going to come out with another one in February for Valentine's Day.
We're doing that.
So we're going to do that one too. Carter can be in that video with me as well.
Yeah. Oh, wait, what does this look like
With
with the hood?
the hood up. Oh, you look so cool.
Respect the drip, Karen. That's right.
I want to thank everyone for watching so much. Do you have anything to add?
No.
Are you sure?
100%.
All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. More soon than in the past.
We got a pig in the room.
Oh yeah, there's a pig up there. There's a pig over there.
Why do you have so many pigs in your room?
Because I bought the entire conspiracy collection.
You're weird.
Well. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell, and enter my giveaway. It ends on the 23rd of December.
What?
Okay, bye. Put that back.